Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make these cute standing birds. Gather these supplies for crafting the birds. Paper clips. Fabric scraps. I'm using Christmas fabric scraps to evoke a festive atmosphere. Heat and bond or Bondaweb paper. Thick firm white felt. Bird pattern. Trace the bird body without beak pattern on the Bondaweb paper, ensuring to create an equal mirrored counterpart. Let's iron our fabric scraps on the plastic side. Turn over and give another press. Cut the birds out. Cut out birds' beaks and eyes with bonded black fabric scraps. Pare off the paper of Bondaweb and iron the bird onto the felt. Place the beak according to the pattern. Begin the free motion process using black thread, akin to sketching, to outline the birds. Enhance our birds by incorporating a French knot for highlights. Trim the back part of the felt, leaving a 3 mm margin. We reserve the remaining felt for convenient access during the sewing process. Place 2 mirrored birds back to back, ensuring their backs align. Employ free motion embroidery with white thread around the bird, ensuring a 2 cm gap at the belly for leg assembly. Trim the felt, leaving approximately 3 mm, just as we did earlier on the back part. Now let's make the legs with paper clips. Begin by straightening and opening up the outer part of the paper clip. Arrange the paper clips into the standing position. Bend the top of the clips at a 90-degree angle, with one pointing forward and the other backward. Attach a small piece of cardboard to ensure the leg remains stable during assembly. After completing the legs, insert them into the previously left gap beneath the bird. Secure the legs by stitching the felt around them. With larger paper clips, additional bending may be necessary to tailor them to the size of my bird. Bending the top is crucial for providing stability and helping the bird stand. Done! Which leg style do you like the most? Thank you for watching.